Okay, just to follow up to that last video, so I just was telling you how to use a light to go over the wall. Now, you can see the wall I've done there, a nice white trim grey wall. So colour selection is obviously important too. You don't want awful green, or maybe you do if it's a kid's room. But that's all of this. You can see that line there, that line that's coming down there. That's the plaster join on down the corner of the wall, and then you can see across the middle. That's the plaster join there, and you can see otherwise the sheets are pretty good. Like if you go below that and above that, there's only a little bit of damage because it's new gyprock. I mean, none of this should be dead flat because there's a recessed edge. So there's a the gyprock sheet actually recesses, and you put joining tape in, and then you skim it and sand it and whatnot, and then you paint it. You should have a near perfect surface. The only area that's not recessed is in these corners. So you end up with a little bit of a curve in there, but you can't do much about that. And usually just take it out wider, like out here somewhere. But I'm just trying to take the eye away from all this shit this guy's done, and it is shit. You can see there, like there's quite a big bit of damage there. And all I'm doing is I'm just trying to level that out there, and that out there, and that out there, and then I block sand that, okay. And